Hi dear students, how are you? Hope you are keeping fine. I welcome you all to this video. In this video, we are going to learn about the adaptation in animals. Do you know what is adaptation? The process of change by which an organism or a species becomes better suited to its environment. It is known as adaptation. First of all, let's have a look at some animals which are living in desert area. In the desert, deserts are hot, dry and windy. Thus, there are a few animals can survive in this weather. It is very difficult to adapt it to this weather as it is very hot, dry and windy. So the number of animals which is adapted to deserts are very few in number. Here you can see some of the animals which is adapted to live in desert. Can you name them? Scorpion, ground squirrel, ground squirrel, desert mouse, camel, sidewinder, sand diving lizard, desert lark, cactus wren, fennec fox. These are some of the animals which is survived in desert. We all know that camel is known as the ship of the desert. It is finely adapted to live in desert. It has long eyelashes which enable them to prevent the sand from entering its eyes. As the wind blows all the time with sand, camels are able to prevent the sand from entering its eyes with the help of long eyelashes. They have thick eyebrows also. Here you can see thick eyebrows. What is the use of thick eyebrows? It shields camel's eyes from the hot sun. The sun is very hot in desert area. So the thick eyebrows protected their eyes from the hot sun. Camel can close nostrils so that sand does not get in. See the nostril? It can open and close. When the wind blows with sand, it will close its nostrils so that the sun does not get in. Its ears are covered with hair which keeps the sand out. Camels have big wide feet which enable them to walk very fastly and it do not let them sink into the sand. As its feet are very big and wide, it does not sink into the sand. It can walk fastly also. Camels can live for weeks without food and water. When the water is available, it can drink about 40 to 50 liters of water at a time. At a time, they can drink 40 to 50 liters of water. And the camels can store fat in their hump. This is the hump of camel. In hump, they store fat, which is used later for energy. When the food is unavailable, it can use the fat from the hump for their energy. And camels have thick lips. Their lips are very thick. Why? It enables them to eat prickly desert plant without feeling pain. This is another animal which can see in desert. Its name is fennec fox. Other desert animals. Fennec fox has large ears. What is the use of large ears? It helps to hear the insects from a great distance. It is another one adapter animal, ground squirrel. What is the adaptation seen in ground squirrel? It has a thick, extra bushy tail. This extra bushy tail protects it from the heat of the sun. This type of squirrels uses its bushy tail as an umbrella over their head, so they can escape from the heat of the sun. This is sidewinder, which we can see in desert. It can move sideways. It slides over the soft sand, barely touching the sand, hot sand. When the sand is very hot, it can escape from the hot sand by sliding over the soft sand. It is sand diving lizard. Sand diving lizard. It holds its feet away from the sand. It helps to cool it in the air. When the feet is in the air, it will cool. Again, it will use the another leg for use. One time they use one leg and one leg for walking. These are some of the animals which you can see in desert. Okay, thank you.